And the alert desk is following some breaking news right now at 6:03. I've been tracking this very closely because a very powerful earthquake has hit just off the coast of Japan overnight. I want to give you live pictures here that we've been closely monitoring because there have been reports of some of the first initial tsunami waves starting to crash against some of the shores there in northern Japan. Now things are pretty dark there right now. Time there in northern Japan, it's around 7:03 in the evening. I can tell you this earthquake that happened now just about an hour and a half ago. It was a 7.5 magnitude earthquake, a pretty strong one. Now we've been watching here as this helicopter has been flying around, not seeing a lot of damage at this point, but what we have seen are some of those really strong waves already hitting some of the shores there. Some of the initial reports are coming in, waves at about 3 feet high. Waves could though reach 10 feet high in certain areas. So we're watching several cameras, waiting for new video to come down. We can tell you right now, folks are being told to get to higher ground if they're in some of those areas that could be impacted by tsunami waves. So we're talking tens of thousands of people here after this 7.5 magnitude earthquake. Again, not getting any initial reports of severe damage here in northern Japan, but the concern right now is for the possibility of these really high tsunami waves and those waves then hitting the shore and possibly flooding some of these areas. So we'll keep you posted on this as it's unfolding.